Freestyle. Freestyle.
Go slow, go fast, like control.
Freestyle.
You like it when I get aggressive.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evensya Xo coming to you with another video. And today, as you can see, I'm coming to you live and bald because today I'm bringing another wig review for you guys. So today I'm going to be reviewing a synthetic lace front wig from ReadyWig. So ReadyWig is a new, I want to say it's a fairly new website that sells synthetic wigs. It also sells real human hair. So you get a little bit of everything on their site, and they also sell bundles as well. Their shipping takes about 3 to 5 business days, and their synthetic wigs are the bomb. Like when I tell you they have upgraded their synthetic wigs, they have upgraded it, okay? So in the packaging, it comes with wig caps, a nice little spray bottle, which is really, really cute. And it also comes with a hair care card. And of course, this is the wig. This is a synthetic lob, so a long bob wig. I am really digging it, and it's lace front. So for the construction of the wig, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. And it also has adjustable straps. And this is a lace front wig. So there's lace going deep, 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 deep into the wig and also on the side. So you can kind of do a side part, like if you do it close to that area, you can do side parts as well. And also, of course, the middle. So you have a lot of parting space, okay? And you also have a lot of lace to work with. So this wig is very platinum blonde. I don't know, like in real life it does have a nice tint of yellow, but on camera it looks stark white. Like I'm giving you Storm vibes right now, okay? As you can see, the lace is a transparent lace, so we gotta kind of, you know, finesse that a little bit. So transparent lace is not going to be like a tinted color or anything like that. So we kind of have to fix that as well. So it's gonna look white on me if I just leave it like that. So we have to fix that.
A few moments later.
So I'm back, okay? I tried to cut it as even as possible, but this side turned out to be a little bit harder than I expected. So I'm gonna have to go in with a razor later and cut it, but this is the vibe that I'm going for. This is cute. So this is major Storm vibes right now. Yes, I freaking love the fact that this hair is now so much easier to run my fingers through, because before it was getting like stuck, but now I can just run my fingers through the hair and it does not tug, does not get stuck. Like it's not stuck at the ends, you know, because the ends I felt like were a little bit too thick, and you know, this kind of, you know, got rid of that, you know. But the hair itself is still giving me life. All right, I was definitely able to make this hair work for me. Even though I am a chocolate skin beauty, this hair still looks bomb on me because I managed to melt the lace into my scalp, you know, made it look very natural. All natural, baby. Like I said earlier, this wig is from ReadyWig.com. I'm gonna leave them down below, linked down, so that you guys can check them out. This wig was around $42, $43, so I'm gonna put the price here. I think it's around $40 something or something like that. I'm gonna have them linked down below for you guys, and I'm also gonna have the hair linked down so that you guys don't have to go searching, figuring out what hair I freaking had. So I love it. If you guys like this video, like what you saw, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into another video. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.